In 1984, a psychologist discovered something terrifying. Two people can work the same hours, have the same intelligence, and access to the same resources, but one will outperform the other by 400%. The difference? It wasn't talent, it wasn't luck. It was something you can start using in the next 60 seconds. Stay with me. Here's the problem. You're working hard, you're putting in the hours, but you look around and some people are just winning faster. Promotions, money, results. And you're thinking, what am I missing? Well, science has the answer, and it's not what you think. Dr. Anders Ericsson spent decades studying world-class performers, musicians, athletes, and he found something radical. Most people practice. Top performers do deliberate practice. And the difference is massive. Regular practice? You're just going through the motions. You're comfortable. You're on autopilot. Deliberate practice? You're operating at the edge of your ability. You're uncomfortable. You're focusing on what you can't do yet and fixing it. This is why after 10 years, some people are still average, while others become world-class in just 3. So how do you actually do this? Science gives us 4 non-negotiables. Pillar 1, specific goals. Top performers don't practice getting better. That's too vague. They target specific weaknesses. A basketball player doesn't just practice basketball. They spend 2 hours on free throws, then footwork, then left-hand layups. You don't work on your business. You spend Monday improving your closing rate, Tuesday optimizing email response time, Wednesday mastering objection handling, specific, measurable, ruthless. Pillar 2, immediate feedback. Here's where most people fail. They practice in a vacuum. No feedback, no adjustment. Research from Stanford shows that performers who get immediate feedback improve 300% faster than those who don't. This is why athletes have coaches, why top CEOs have mentors, why chess grandmasters analyze every move. You need a feedback loop. Track your numbers, record yourself, get a mentor, use AI tools, review daily. Without feedback, you're just repeating mistakes. Pillar 3, maximum effort zone. This is the secret sauce. You need to operate in what psychologists call the stretch zone. Not so easy that you're bored. Not so hard that you panic. Right at the edge where you're uncomfortable but capable. Think of it like lifting weights. If it's too light, no growth. If it's too heavy, you get injured. You need that perfect challenge level, and here's the key. This zone moves. What's hard today becomes easy next month. So you constantly raise the bar, always stretching, never settling. Pillar 4, deep recovery. And here's what nobody tells you. Top performers rest harder than average people work. A study from Harvard found that elite performers sleep 8.5 hours per night on average. They take breaks, they recover fully. Why? Because deliberate practice is exhausting. You're burning maximum mental energy. If you don't recover, you burn out. So schedule recovery like you schedule work. Non-negotiable. Now here's the hard truth. This is not easy. Most people will watch this video, feel inspired, and change nothing. Because deliberate practice is uncomfortable, it's frustrating. It forces you to confront your weaknesses every single day. But that's exactly why it works. That's why top performers are rare. They're willing to be uncomfortable while everyone else stays cozy. So the question is, are you? Here's your challenge for the next 7 days. Pick one skill. You want to improve. Identify your specific weakness in that skill. Practice only that weakness for 30 focused minutes daily. Get feedback, record yourself, use metrics, ask someone better than you. Push yourself to the edge of discomfort. Rest fully afterward. Do this for 7 days and watch what happens. Most people will quit by day 3, will you? Look, the science is clear. Outperformance isn't about talent. It's about method. And now you have the method.